We are a professional coffee bag manufacturer with years of experience in the industry. Not only we can offer a variety of coffee bags, but we also specialize in meeting customers' customized requirements. Our coffee bags come in a variety of materials, including craft paper, foil, recyclable, compostable, and biodegradable options. We can also offer different bag styles, such as stand-up zipper coffee bags with valves, flat-bottom coffee bags, and side gusset coffee bags. No matter what your coffee packaging needs are, we can try our best to make your idea into real packaging products. From print designs and colors to bag size and shape, we can truly listen to our customers' needs and ensure that the final product meets our customers' expectations. In addition to their excellent products and customer service, we are committed to sustainability. According to customers' requirements, we use eco-friendly materials and ink whenever possible and strive to reduce waste in their production process. If you're in the market for high-quality coffee packaging that can be customized to your needs, we highly recommend See Faith Plastics, packing as your coffee bag manufacturer. Check out our website for more information and to see our other coffee packaging products. www.plastics-packing.com